students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, the first and the last term of arithmetic progression are 3 and 253 respectively. If the 20th term of the progression is 98, then find the arithmetic progression and also find the sum of the last 10 terms of the progression. So to solve this question, first, what are given? Given things is first term. First term is given, which is A is given as 3, and last term is also given. Last term donated by L, which is given as 253, and last term, let's suppose n is the last term, so A plus n minus 1 times D can be represented as the last term, which is equals to 253. So A is 3, so n minus 1 times D can be written as 250, correct? So this is our first equation. Now, according to the question, another thing given, that is A20 is given as 98. A20 is given as 98. So A20 can be written as A plus 19D, which is equals to 98. And A is 3, that means 19D is equals to 98 minus 3, which is 95. And 19 ones are 19 fives are. So D is equals to 5. So we know the common difference and we know the first term, correct? And we can find the nth term now since we know the D. So this is our so using value of D, using D is equals to 5 in equation 1. In equation 1 we are using D is equals to 5. So what we will get? N minus 1 times 5 is equals to 250. So 5 ones are 5 fives are and 0 as it is. So n minus 1 is equals to 50. So number of term in the arithmetic progression is 51, correct? We can write the arithmetic progression. How? AP. It will start from first term, which is 3, and we will add 5. 3 plus 5 8, plus 5 13, plus 5 18, plus 5 23, plus 5, and so on. It will go to 253 is our last term. Now we will our second question. If we see, also find the sum of last 10 terms of the arithmetic progression. But we know the formula. We know one formula, that is Sn, which is n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. But we can't apply this formula directly because we are supposed to find the last 10 terms, correct? So what we'll do, this formula is to find the sum of first n terms, correct? So if you are supposed to find first 10 terms, then we can use this formula directly. So how can we use this formula? If we will reverse this AP, means starting from here, and common difference will be this time minus 5. Like if we reverse this AP, reversed AP will have last term as our first term. So we'll have A dash, which is equals to last term of the previous arithmetic progression, which is equals to 253. And in reversed AP, common difference will be negative times the common difference before. So D dash is minus 5. So reversed AP will become 253, comma, we will subtract 5, we will get 248, 243, and so on. It will go to 3. Now for this, A is equals to this and D is equals to minus 5, we can use this formula. So our second part of the question, we will use Sn, that is S10, which is equals to n upon 2. Instead of n, we can write 10 divided by 2 into 2 times A dash plus 10 minus 1 9 times D dash. This is our formula now to find the sum of last 10 terms. So this will become 5 into 2 times A dash is 253 plus 9 times D dash is minus 5. So this will be equals to 5 times 253 into 2. This will become 506 plus minus 45, correct? So this will be equals to 5 times 256 minus 45. This will be, we'll do 256, 206 minus 506 minus 45. We'll get 1, we'll get 46, correct? So this will be 461. 461 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 30, 5 fours are 20 and 23. So 2, 3, so our final answer will be 2305 will be our sum of last 10 terms. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.